Hi, good evening, friends. This is Rajesh Kumar. I wanted to show you the natural beauty of Kotwara, Uttarakhand. Look at the natural beauty here, and it's been continuously 5 or 6 days that has been raining. Luckily, this point of time that we got some stoppage on the rain there, and could walk up to the place which is nearly like 10-12 minutes away from my home, and look at the beautiful scenario here. And this is the place that one can even spot the elephants or maybe the tigers in the evening or maybe in the night time. And look at the river here. It's been around 5-6 days continuous rain, and now the water level is increased here, and it would continue to raise till minimum August or maybe the early part of September, and after that will start declining gradually, and it will remain there till winters. But when the summer starts, like Feb March onwards, then this water would be disappeared, and again the flow starts either in the late June, or it goes to the peak level in the month of July and August. And that point of time it becomes very risky, that you would not want to cross this river. uh, Maybe on video it doesn't look that risky, but again the water level is high, and as of now you can cross that easily, but maybe a couple of days further rain, and then it will become far riskier. So those particular hours when the rain is there, you definitely cannot cross that. And just behind the river, this is the place that like the initial starting of the gym Rajaji National Park starts here. So you can say that, I mean, you cross the river and then you are the part of that gym Rajaji National Park. It starts from here, and then after somewhere around like 6 to 7 kilometer, you are completely inside the Rajaji National Park, right? So this is the place of, I wanted to share that natural beauty and the happiest moments with you. Thanks to MetLife, thanks to work from home support from MetLife, that despite being there in the challenging situations, I am able to continue my work. I get the maximum support from my organizations, from my leaders, and for the first time in my career, in 14 years of careers, I could spend this much of good amount of time working from home, working at my home, being around this sort of natural beauty, which I had ever never imagined earlier. And staying with the family, weekends looks really like weekends, that it looks like that you live your life, you live your moments when it comes to weekends like this. That look at the natural beauty here, and behind the river, if you can spot the forest or the jungle area, and just behind that, look at the series of that Shivalik range. This is the hill range of Shivalik, wherein the highest peak you see, that is also known, the land known by like the, if somebody has read about the Charak Sanhita, so this is the place that wherein the saint Charak wrote that Sanhita, Charak Sanhita. So this is the hill named Charak in local area, and basically this is the range of Shivalik hills. So that's also called the Bhabar area. That's the lowest part of Himalaya starts from here. So look at this, and just above that we can see the clouds there. So it can, there could be cloud not burst, but the rain can start at any point of time. And luckily this evening we got an opportunity with that great weather surroundings, and the rain was not there, so we could step out of the home and thought to create a video, thought that we to share with you. And maybe these memories will become sort of lifelong assets for me. So maybe sometime later, whenever I want to cherish those moments, I can see that video. I can share this video with some of my friends, the near ones, and I'm sure that you would also like that. And one thing I can bet that keeping this in mind, you definitely would want to visit a place like this, or maybe at this point of time, perhaps you might be thinking that I wish I had been there. So that's the beauty of Uttarakhand. This place is Kotdwara, a small town situated between Jim Corbett National Park in the east and Rajaji National Park in the west side. And that is Kotdwara. It actually works like a corridor for the wild animals. So elephants and the tigers and the leopard can easily cross over the boundaries from Rajaji National Park to Jim Corbett and Jim Corbett to Rajaji National Park. That's vice versa. But it happens in the night time, so normally people cannot spot those animals. But yes, in last 1 month, I have seen the leopard 3-4 times. Last week, same day, Saturday, I was able to see leopard twice. Those were the kids of leopards, and just 1 month back, I saw a fully grown leopard there. There was a sort of horrible moments for a minute, but later on we were able to calm down, and then it was worth watching that, just seeing the nearby view there. So this was the exact place, maybe just 200, 300 meters away from here, that I was able to spot the leopard. And look at this beauty here. That's awesome, amazing, and thanks for watching this.